Good morning, guys. So I just kind of, I look how I just woke up more sick. I was congested through the night. I've been trying to work through my cold or my asthma and stuff, but it just got worse. I went doctor yesterday. She said, like, aren't you resting? I said, no, I was working because gotta work, yeah. But she said you should have took off. But this morning I just I couldn't go to work. I just can't. I can't. My body is like sick. I even look like sick. But I tried to work this whole week. It's just getting more worse. My throat is all sore. I was all congested, and my doctor said my asthma is not going away, so she gave me my maintenance inhaler, like the Advair. So I'd have to take that. I just feel so lousy. I was trying to go work today, but I'm not gonna be the hero. Sorry, I cannot. But anyway, yeah, that's me this morning. I just, it's 6 o'clock. I couldn't even get up. I'm supposed to get up get to work at 5 today because I have my double, my other job too. But I can't work today either over there. Yeah, I just feel really sick. I can't. So I got my inhaler. This thing, this is a junk inhaler. I don't know. When I use this inhaler like this, it's like, it doesn't really do anything. Look, or it seems like it does now, but when it's in my mouth, it doesn't do anything. So I have to attach it to this so that it can go in the chamber and then go into my mouth. It can go into my lungs, not just my mouth. Because if I use this and it just goes on my tongue and stuff. But I don't like this inhaler. I don't know what the brand is, but yeah. So I just really feel my throat is so sore. I think I'm just over tired. Yeah, that's it. That's my Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Yeah, I'm just gonna rest today. I just gotta rest. I just gotta rest today. Hey guys, so I'm just gonna make some fried noodle. For some reason, I cannot eat the whole salmon when it's with the soup, but if I fry it, it's best for me. I'm so hungry right now, but I don't have it's like I have no appetite, but I am hungry. But we're gonna make that. I show you how I'm gonna make it today. Just letting this boil, and I'm gonna drain the water. I don't really cook it for too long because I don't want it to be too soft. So I'm gonna shut it off. Just bring it to a boil. Just drain it in here. Okay. I'm gonna add some sesame oil to fry it. And then what I've got is onion, pretty sausage, and Vienna sausage. I'm gonna fry that. This is it. I put some oyster sauce in it as well. And we'll see how much I eat. I didn't put no salt or anything because I didn't want to put salt. But yeah, that's my breakfast. Alright, it's pretty tasty, actually. So I'm liking it. No need salt. Well, probably I can't taste it anyway. No need salt, just oyster sauce. And the Portuguese sausage has flavor too. And alrighty, good morning everyone. So today I feel a little bit better. I just rested yesterday. So I just gotta take my this is like an Advair, but it's the what do you call, like the cheaper one. I feel like the Advair would be like a lot of money. So it's a this is the one I have to take twice a day, so morning and night. It's like powder, it goes into my chest. It's like a little bit of steroids in it as well. And then it does have like a counter here. And then I just rinse my mouth after. It comes to asthma and stuff, it's like you can use a lot of steroids and stuff to bring down your inflammation in your chest. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wear a mask today so I don't get more sick from somebody, you know. Alrighty, gangy. So I look like a mess today. It is Saturday. I guess. Dang. So I've got this for breakfast. I think it's a sandwich, avocado. It looks good. Looks really good. So I'm gonna eat that right now. Guys, so good morning. Happy Sunday. It's Sunday. I'm feeling a little bit better. But I think my body's just like exhausted too. Sick, exhausted, tired. Yeah, but definitely feeling better than Friday. But still get small kind stuff going on. But anywho, here's Navia. Hi, Navia. She's gonna kiss me, watch. Hi, Navia. Hi. Oh, she thinks she's like lightweight. She is, but not that light. Yeah. Navia, hi, Navia. So we're just kicking back in the bedroom today. I just gotta like clean a little bit of my closet. And that's about it. Yeah, no plans. I have to wash clothes, but no plans other than that. Sometimes I cannot watch movies that has like, you hear that little ding, because Navia gets anxiety. Hold on, let me show you. That sandwich looks really good.
Do you know any other hotels that may have vacancies?
Why not this part?
I know it's this.
See, I can't watch movies that have all this ding, 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 ding. Look, Navia, she gets all crazy. See? Come on up. She gets anxiety from that. Look. See? So it's kind of irritating. So that's like
newer movies that have that ringtone, I can't watch it or I have to turn it down. I'm just eating in my room today. That going on. Just eating some breakfast. I might just take Neville for a ride to get out the house after I eat breakfast. Guys, so me and Neville just took a ride and we're in Jack in a Box. I'm just getting an ice mocha and a large water. I'm so thirsty. My medicine, I think, makes me thirsty. So, and then Neville's over there. You see her? Oops. Right there, as usual. She over there. Who kisses? It's like, hell no. Who kisses? Yeah. No. Over here. I've been like really thirsty lately. Like really. Like I have to drink water. Like my throat is, my mouth is so dry. I want to just say that it's the medicine. It's making it dry like that. But yeah, and when I say really, I mean like really. But I bought ice mocha and I put the whipped cream on it. I never have whipped cream like long time. If you guys know how I drink my coffee, it always has whipped cream on top. So this is an ice mocha. I want to say it's okay, but McDonald's is better. But never have McDonald's, so I just drove through Jack in a Box. This was like for something plus my water. I don't know if they charge me for water, but yeah, this is all it right here. Whew. Okay, so this is what I picked up from my girlfriend's pop-up tent sale for, she had some cute Hello Kitty stuff. I got this pen, so cute. See, I didn't know how to make the pen work. Okay, so it's just like this right here. Cute. And then I got this daily planner. I can just do like whenever I have vaccine. And then this is so cute. I thought it was so cute. I got this one. This is magnetic here. So cute. Look, I just adore it. It's so cute. I like this because it has the coffee. I'm about that life, the coffee life. Then I'm gonna put this into here. There, it's so cute. I'm loving it. There you go. That's my little haul for today. I'm happy with it. All of this cost $20. So that's awesome. Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. If you guys are interested in Hello Kitty stuff, let me know and then I'll send you a link to her Instagram.